Bonjour, hola, and hello. My name is Cleo, and this time we're making a face serum. Let's get right into it. I am going to be using a 5 milliliter capacity roller ball, any old roller ball that you can find on Amazon or otherwhere on the internet. That's right, I said otherwhere, and I'm sticking to it. So, spring is here. Can we all breathe a moment of relief for that? Winter is over, unless, of course, you live on the other side of the world where the opposite is happening. But if you live where I live and you're heading out of winter and into spring, you're feeling a sigh of relief. Am I wrong? Am I right? Am I right? I'm totally right. But my pores are not getting the message. Winter is still in my face. And I just got this beautiful Yarrow Pom, as you may have seen from last time. And I'm looking to make some recipes with it. So I went through all my oils and I went through the Essential Life book, and I picked out some oils. So here's what I picked. Be using Yarrow Pom as the base with jojoba and fractionated coconut oil. Those are going to be the carriers. Copaiba is really excellent for the skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and I am going to figure out how to, that's how we're going to hold the bottle. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used aromatically, it can be used topically, which is how we're going to use it today. And it can be used internally, which is another way that I love to use it. We're going to be using cedarwood, which a lot of people don't know is really good for the skin. It's a little bit more of a thicker oil, so it'll give it a nice texture. We're going to be adding Green Mandarin. Green Mandarin is a citrus, but it's not photosensitizing the way that lemon and orange and the other citrus oils are. So this is going to be a great addition to our serum for pore clearing properties and for that bright green sweet smell. And then we're going to be adding geranium. Geranium is a potent oil, and it's really great for the skin. It's really great for hormone balancing as well. It's very potent, so we're just going to add a drop in there. And so let's move along. Let's do it. I am just winging it here. I feel pretty confident in what I know about the oils, and I worked in cosmetics and skincare from the year 2000 till about 2010, 2011. So I looked in my book, which you can do the same. You can just look in the book and, oh, this is very viscous. I'm not getting it all into the pipette. Let's see if I can show you. Do you see what I mean? I'm not getting a full pipette, but I think it's just because I'm trying to do it on camera, right? So I'm gonna do, there we go. If only I could find the range of the camera. I'm gonna do that much. This is a 5 milliliter roller, so I'm gonna say that's about 1 milliliter. Okay, there you go. Or a full squirt or 2 from your Yarrow Pom. What is that? A dropper, right? Okay. I'm going to go with the Copaiba next, and I'm going to add 3 drops. Add cedarwood, 3 drops. Well, you know, 3 is the magic number. 3 squirts from the pipette for Yarrow Pom. We're going to do 3 drops of each of these, if it will come out. 1, 2, 3. Is it when an oil is thicker, it's more viscous? Or is it when an oil is thinner, it's more viscous? I think it's when it's thinner, but I don't remember. So whichever one that is, cedarwood's thicker than a thinner oil. Okay, Green Mandarin. So good, you guys. Green Mandarin will bring out your inner child. 1, 2, and 3. Geranium. I think I'm going to go with 1 to start. When I first smelled geranium, I didn't like it. When I first smelled real geranium, I was like, oh, that's what it's supposed to smell like. And that was doTERRA geranium. And let me put the right cover on the right thing. So That looks pretty good. I'm going for, you can add tea tree or melaleuca if you want. I don't feel like it right now. I'm going to add some fractionated coconut oil, and I'm going to add some golden jojoba oil because I do want a little substance. I'm just taking whatever's like right there that didn't, yeah, I'm not wasting that. I'm rubbing them in the back of my hand. I'm going to do like that much. I'm going to squirt in some jojoba. Those of you who are like having a heart attack because you're like, but I want the recipe. What are the exact amounts? You got to let go a little. You gotta just, sometimes you just gotta squirt it into the bottle. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta get it did. So there we go. This is me putting the cover on so I don't spill geranium all over the place, all over the place. I like to really make sure there's no extra there on top when I pop this roller on. Don't push your rollers on with your thumbs. You know why? You're pushing on the ball and it's like, you're like damaging the housing. Do you know what I'm saying? You want to use a tool. These tools are so cheap. Get an oily tool. Oil roller tool, whatever. This one, that you can get the one from doTERRA, or you can go on Amazon and Google and find it. And there you go. Another tip, bonus, since you're here, don't close your rollers too tight. Like I'm literally just closing it, twisting it until I feel some pushback because the top, can you see that circle on the top in there? That's touching the top of the roller ball, and that's kind of like a little hat that's like, oh, you can't move, see? You can't move. So you want that to touch the roller ball. And then once it's touching, just twist it a teeny bit more. Just a teeny bit more. That's it. Do you see how much space is there? That makes you uncomfortable, doesn't it? I'm sorry, you'll get used to it. Don't over twist your roller balls. You're making them leak. Guess who learned the hard way? Spilling something in her purse. Okay, so that's why I say that. Wow, wow. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I just love mixing these things together. I used to make nail polish by hand. I mean, I still do, just not as much. I'm much more oily now. There, let's try it. I like to, you know, some people would say that's shooken already. But I'm saying, no, I really want them to meld and get together, okay? And really marry. Really, you'll get the full effect of, you know, the full mixing after it's sitting like that. How pretty is that? Let's roll it on. Let's roll it. It's brand new. Let's get it started. Okay. Ew. Ew, Tommy. Did anyone used to watch the Rugrats? Or was that just me? Was I the only one that ever watched that show and that's why it's popular? Because it was literally just me? No, I don't think so. Okay. I'm feeling, I want some more, but there we go. You guys, you should try this. I like the way the oils mellow down when they're in that Yarrow Pom, and I like the way the Yarrow Pom is giving it this silky velvet feeling. Guys. So there we go. Oh, hey, I learned how to make these silly little stickers on my Cricut machine. So these stickers, I'm just gonna write, I don't know what it is on it. Oops, I dropped it. Okay, I'm gonna call it face serum. That's what I'm gonna call it. Does it peel though? Will it even? Okay. How does this go now? How did I design this sticker even? Cool. Oh my god, I totally made a face serum. You guys have to try this. Am I being OCD right now? No, I don't have OCD, but I do really fuss about getting that sticker on, and I still got it wonky, and I don't even care. I don't even care because it's so good. Make you one. Let me know how you like it. Leave it in the comments. If you need any of these oils, hit up your doTERRA friend. If I'm your doTERRA friend, I'm here. Hit me up. I'll help you get them at the best price. Earlier I washed with the Virage. You're going to want the Virage facial cleanser and the pore reducing toner. Straight up, no lie. And then you're going to want to mix up this serum. And let's get ready. Let's get ready. Let's get ready for the party, for the event.